Hi guys, it's Anthony Dela Cruz here. Today I'm reading a book which is called I Just Don't Like the Sound of No. My name is RJ and I just don't like the sound of the word no. It seems like everybody always tells me no. No RJ this, no RJ that. Sometimes I think my real name is No RJ. A few days ago, I was at the store with my dad. I saw a box of smelling markers that I really wanted. Dad, I asked, can you buy these for me? No, he said. But I just don't like the sound of no. How about maybe? No, he said, not today. But I just don't like the sound of no. How about we'll see? No, he said. Remember, Archie, I told you before we left home, this trip to the store is a looking trip for you, not a buying trip. But Dad, they have one that smells like bubble gum. There's cherry and banana and RJ. No means no. When we got home, my best friend Sam asked me if I wanted to sleep over at his house. Mom, can Sam and I have a sleepover tonight? No, my mom said. Not tonight. But I just don't like the sound of no. How about we'll think about it? No, my mom said. You can't have a sleepover on a school night. You won't get enough rest and then you'll be tired tomorrow at school. No, RJ, not tonight. But I just don't like the sound of no. And Betsy Sam's mom says, RJ, no means no. The next day at school, I asked my teacher, can we have extra free time? No, RJ, she said, not today. I just don't like the sound of no. How about maybe later? No, RJ, today we have a full schedule and we just can't fit it in. But I just don't like the sound of no. How about after lunch? No, RJ, I told you not today. But last week you said no means no, RJ. You need to learn how to afraid no for an answer. I think you need to try to become a member of the Say Yes to No Club. How do I do that? I asked. Well, to join you have to be able to do two things. First, no for an answer and learn how to appreciate no for an answer. This is what you need to do. Look at the person who is telling you no. Okay. Say okay to the person he's running to the slow. Stay calm on the inside and don't disagree. You can ask him why later, this is how you should be. To disagree with someone the right way, here is what you should do. Look right at the person when you disagree. Don't scream or use mean words. Be the best you can be. Tell why you feel differently. Give your reason with these. I don't know what to learn closely to what she says. This is how you should act. RJ, if you can learn how to do these two things, you can become an official member of the Say Yes or to No Club. Then you will get the write your name on a star and put it up on our Say Yes to No star board. Once your star is up on the board, your name will be put into a weekly drawing and you could even win a prize. Don't I have to do it at home too? I ask. Absolutely. In order to become an official member, your parents have to sign a paper saying that you are being a Say Yes to No expert at home too. I looked at the Say Yes to No star board. It would be pretty cool to say my name up there on one of these stars and the prizes my teacher gives away are awesome. Margaret Ann walked by the overheard me talking to my teacher. Being a member of the You Say Yes to No Club is fun, RJ, he said. You get to deserve your start any way you wanted to. Okay, I told my teacher I will do it. After lunch, I asked my teacher, can we have extra recess today? No, she responded. It wasn't easy, but I looked up at her and I said, okay. Thanks for mentioning. No, RJ. She said, give and gave me a thumbs up. Then I went back to my seat. That night, I was at home getting some ice cream out of our freezer when my mom said, no, RJ, you can't eat that now. In my head, I was thinking, I just don't like the sound of no and messes. I'm starving, but then I thought about how my name would like on one of these stars. Okay, Mom, I will put it away. My mom looked at me. She was in shock that I would have knocked her over with my feather. Thank you, RJ, she said. Then she gave me a great big hug. Before I went to bed, I asked my mom Why shouldn't you let me eat ice cream tonight? I was so hungry. Well, RJ, you wanted ice cream right before dinner and I didn't want to split your don't. Oh, I said. I am so proud of you, RJ. Even when you disagree with me, you waited to talk to me about it till you were calm and then you didn't agree. Last week I earned my start and my name got put into the Say Yes to No special drawing today. My teacher picked a name and guess who won? I did. My awesome prize was a box of smelly markers, just like the ones I wanted my dad to buy at the store. Becoming a yes to no experiment really paid off for me. Today was one of the best days of my life ever. The end. Bye guys, I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, turn on notifications on, and send a request in the comments. Bye guys.